Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect your ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S combo with the ECOVACS Home app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Make sure you have the ECOVACS Home app downloaded on your mobile device. Search your app store for ECOVACS Home, download, sign in, or create an account. Then you'll be at this screen where you can view all of your connected devices. So we have a couple devices already set up. Yours may be blank, no big deal. In the top right-hand corner, we have this little barcode looking icon that we can select, and that's how we can scan QR codes to set up devices. In this case, it's already smart enough that it found our vacuum right here without us having to scan the code. But you can pop the top off of your vacuum, take it out, and you can scan the code that's right there. So in this case, we're going to select that without even having to scan it. And it's currently showing that it's already connected. So at this stage, we need to connect to our local Wi-Fi network. So select your home network and enter your password. Now with our credentials entered, we have a voice prompt saying network setup in progress or in process, something along those lines. And it's currently working on connecting to our network. There we go, connected to Wi-Fi, connected to server. That was super quick, not even 20 seconds. Now we can name the robot. We're gonna leave it as its default name because that's what it is. And we can select continue. And now it's working on downloading. Looks like we have an update. So let's update the firmware now. I guess for us, it was an app update. Hopefully you don't have that issue. All right, our app's been updated. We're back in. We have navigated over to the DEEBOT T30S combo. So everything was already set up, super simple, very quick. That's all you have to do. Now it's added in your app where you can enter in. So we can select this right here, and you'll be able to go through a nice tutorial that'll walk you through some key features like its voice assistant. I'm just gonna select next and we'll skip through it. But we have some tips and tricks for you right there. And now here's a look at our device. So currently it's charging at 81% in standby. Now to populate our data, we gotta have it map our house to get all of the features and controls. So let it go ahead, build your house out with the map, but you're all set and ready to go. That's it. It's that simple to set up your ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S combo.